almost every single day except yesterday. Yesterday I didn't vlog because literally I just needed to relax. My knees are still weak. I just need to let them go, and then I ever did it, and I have admitted it, and I rhymed. Oh god. But anyway, every single fucking week, or every single other day, it's something that goes outside these windows. And this is just going outside. Apparently they are redoing. They're filling in the gap finally after all this time. I think I got 2 months. But my god. Can they stop with the construction, please? It's getting very annoying. Hey, I'm actually fully cleaning this room. Like, dead on. Already sweating. It is hot as hell in this room because they won't cut down my heat, which is pissing me off. I have my windows open over here, over there. There's a breeze coming in, but it's not as good as the breeze as I want. And I'm right now organizing all my drawers. And yeah, I'm out of breath already. I gotta change. This is not right. The greatest smell is going on right outside my window. Fresh tar and blocks. The greatest smell ever. Oh my god, it stinks. I don't even want to put fucking smell-o-vision on for you guys. It stinks. And shit. Just no. It'd be fun to have a job with so much downtime in the world. So much downtime. We're just gonna crowd around the store and just wait for everything to get done. Yeah. I'm gonna sit over here so I'm not associated with them, but I'm a flagger. Sometimes I seriously wonder how stuff gets done in the world. Everything's just right there. Right there. No joke. You can hear everything. Nothing's getting done. Hey, this is I know this is on my vlog, but for DSP members, I know I haven't uploaded a game or anything, and I have a lot of games on here, but I don't have them all complete, and I'm still in the process of doing that, process of editing, process of doing so much other shit. But I'm gonna whale a game out that I know the back of my mind. It's Kingdom Hearts 2. I can get past it within a fucking, faster than the speed of light, and I can knock it out. I can get this main storyline, maybe some extras and shit like that, but I can knock that game out, and I can put that on. I'm in the mainframe. I got everything set up. Unfortunately, it is gonna be on TV, but you know what? You can suck it. You know why? Because seriously, I can't. All of my programs, for some reason, they work to an extent. And, when you have limited memory, you can't do much shit. So anyway, this is what I'm doing. And I don't want my DSP friends to be let down, like, she was disappears. I don't disappear. I got other shit I do have a life. It's hard for me to balance my life and YouTube out. I'm still coming up with other things for my original channel. I haven't done anything with my original channel. I am putting back on my cosplay videos. I am, like, it's gone so far out of hand that I need to get stuff done, and that's what I am doing today, and I am determined. I actually had to change my clothes because it's so fucking hot in here, and it disturbs the shit out of me, but we're gonna get this shit done. What are you doing?
Taking out my braids.
Taking out both our braids. We're gonna have. Are you doing a before and after shot right